Got our second video of the chassis build series on Jim's 1972 C10. Today we'll be working on front brakes. Going to be connecting hats to rotors, attaching calipers, making sure they're spaced, shimmed correctly. You know, just basic, easy front brake work. As you can see behind me, this video is being recorded after I'd already done the work. We currently sit with the engine and trans in the frame, and all the brakes and everything are done. So future videos we'll have on the engine build, where we change out the oil pan, connect the transmission, torque converter, flex plate, intake, all that stuff. So that'll probably be on our next video, but this one we'll be doing brake work and nothing too crazy. Easy stuff. I mean, anybody can do this. This is nothing. Forgot to mention on the first video that not only will I be involved in this build, I'll probably be doing most of the work just because I have a lot of time on my hands. When I get home from work, I kind of have free reign. My daughter's grown up, self-sufficient, in college, so I don't have a whole lot of obligations, which allow me to come out here and enjoy what I enjoy, work on stuff, build stuff, and just tinker in the garage, which is what I like. But I will be having a lot of help from my friend Derek. He's at a different point in his life. He's got a young boy. He'll be turning 4 soon, and so whenever we have bigger stuff going on, he'll definitely be here helping out. I'm sure also my buddy Tacklebox will be on here. He's got a late 70s dually that he just finished building. I believe he's currently working on a 68, and he just bought I want to say it's a 76 or 77 Blazer. So he's got a full plate of stuff going on also, but they'll be involved in the builds, and you'll see them quite a bit soon. But hope you enjoyed the second video of the series, and hope you keep catching up with it. And I believe the next video will be a lot more entertaining than these brake videos, just because it's stuff that's a little bit more difficult. Brakes, they're easy. So anyways, hope you enjoy.